Tēnā koutou katoa. Local iwi from Makaurau Marae would like to invite Māori deaf and whānau with disabilities throughout all of Aotearoa to attend a hui. The purpose of our hui is to come together to learn about te ao Māori and mātauranga Māori. Opportunity there also for us to support each other, share our goals for the future. We have a guest speaker, Tariana Turia, as well as iwi leaders. The hui is happening on Thursday, the 16th of June, starting at 9 a.m, concluding at 4 p.m. There will be New Zealand Sign Language interpreters in attendance. The hui is being held at Makaurau Marae at 8 Ruaiti Road, Ihu Matao in South Auckland. The marae is close to the airport. There is an opportunity also for you to join online. You can register and we will send you the Zoom link. You can text us on 021 023 26388. Please come and join us. As Māori, we come together. Tēnā koutou katoa.